Karcher K5 premium pressure washer. I've mainly used it with this attachment, which has got an adjustable lance on it for hard and soft surfaces. I usually use it on the hardest setting and then just adjust the distance from where you're using it. You've got to be careful with cars with loose paintwork and things. You don't want to damage paintwork. I'll do some work pressure washing the house before it's painted now. Try out these different attachments as well, because it also comes with another attachment for just doing hard surfaces. That's not adjustable, and it comes with a rotating Patio Cleaner. So I'll try that out as well. As you rotate the power adjuster, it lights up on here on the control piece here which setting you're on, whether you're on a soft setting, medium or hard. The attachments, you just push them in, twist them, and then they pull out like that. Like that. Got a 5-meter cable. Usually just wrap that around the wheel on the back. There is a compartment at the bottom with the netting, you can put the plug in there, but it's just easier to wrap it around the wheel. It's got an 8-meter hose on it, just pulls out like that. You can get these washing liquids to go with it. This is stone and paving cleaner, and that just slots in the top there like that. You press it down, and you can get things like car shampoo. I've used this one. It goes very quickly though. I put it in and it only lasted about 2 car washes and it was gone. So don't tend to use that much. It gets a bit expensive. It's got a 5-year manufacturer's warranty on it, so that's pretty good. I've had this about a year now. So it's a tried and tested video of showing it in use. With a 5-year guarantee, it gives you a bit of confidence in the product. I'm mainly going to be working on the walls today, but since I've got the pressure washer out, I'll have a quick go with this Patio Cleaner. The only paving slabs you've got at the moment are these steps, so I'll have a good quick go on here. It's got a power adjustment on this as well. Let's give it a go on the highest setting. Let's go for it. Standard. Yeah. Make sure the hose is connected onto the hose reel properly before you start. Yeah, I moved the hose reel a few minutes ago, so it's just caught on that. Soaked. Alright. I haven't got any detergent in the machine now, I'm just using water to, it seems to be cleaning it straight away. So we'll take 2 on that. Try not to get soaked this time. There's a bit more stubborn. There's got a pot there, so there's earth gone into the paving slab. Yeah, so obviously with these being steps you can't quite get in under the ledge there, so I'll finish that with a lance. And also that, so it's got all the algae off really easily. That's where a pot's been sitting, so I'll try the lance on that as well. But a quick job on the algae, just floats across. Oh, that pot's left a really permanent mark. I think I need the detergent to get that off. I'm going to try the other attachment now. Quite a bit more intensive than the adjustable lance, so this one's just designed for hard surfaces then. Cleaned the slabs up quite well. A bit more time to get them up a bit cleaner again. Yeah, that's only been there a few months, that pot. Surprising, leaves quite a mark. But the Karcher rep doesn't get soaked through at the start of his videos. Never mind, it's not part of the process. Yes, very intensive circle. This leaves a ring. Compare it to the adjustable lance now. So in a straight line with this one, with the jet. It might be slightly, well, they both do a good job. I think it might be slightly quicker with the round attachment on. Covers a bigger area. It's pretty filthy wall to test it on. I think the lower K numbers of the Karcher machines, they probably haven't got the 5-year warranty, they might have 2-year warranties or whatever. So I want to pay a bit more, get a decent machine that's going to last. And I've been very happy with it so far, works well. So I'm going to carry on with this. Important note here, I wouldn't use this attachment if you aren't going to redecorate your house, because it will take off the loose paint. Or even with a newly painted house, potentially it could take your paint off. I would suggest using it more on stone walls, on the ground, concreted surfaces maybe. It's possibly a bit too harsh. I've used it just now on the edge of the building where there's a couple of appearing on the wall, and it does strip the paint. So just be aware of that, and use the other adjustable one with the adjustable power setting, and just be a bit practical about the distance you're using it from the wall. And if you want to make it easier again, you can use hypochlorite on the wall before blasting it as well. With these machines, you should also run them empty of water for winter storage as well, in case the machine freezes in the garage. And so you just unplug the water and run it for a few seconds until the machine's empty then. So just empty most of the water out. I tend to do that anyway so it doesn't leak out over the garage, even in the summer. Anyway, that's a quick overview of the Karcher K5 pressure washer. Not about best practice of cleaning a wall. This ain't no DIY channel.